Hello everyone, welcome back to our final last video of the Firebase Authentication using provider. I know, I said it was the last video on the last video, but this one is the real last video. I decided to do that because I don't want the video to be so extended. And let's go ahead and let's do it. So you have seen that we have inserted this message on to do insert controller here, and we have to insert control on password also. And to do that, we need to create two text editing controller. Yeah, let's do this right now. So we have created two text editing controller, one for email and other to password. And we are not using save here, but if you want it, you can do it, but I won't use it. If we go back to our sign up screen, we have here a form key. So let's just copy this to make things easier and paste it here. And the last thing we need to do is to pass the consumer to the column. So how do we do it? First, we need to cut this, all of this, like we have did in the sign up screen. And I'm pretty sure that you already know it. So the body is going to be a consumer, and the consumer is going to be just like this one, user auth. So user auth, it will have a builder, an empty context, and just right here we can return our column. Okay, close it, and yeah, just let's run our app to see if it's working correctly. So yeah, it's working correctly. And up here we need to call the form key, so to check if everything is right with the email typing and password typing. So we're going to wrap it with a widget, and the widget is going to be a form, and the key of the form is going to be, of course, the form key. So let's go back here. We need to insert our controller, and that's pretty easy, and I'm pretty sure that you already know. So let's call the controller. So the controller is going to be an email controller, and whether it's on here controller, and this one is password controller. And the last thing we need to do is call all this method in one press, because here it's calling the return new method, but let's do this right now. So what we are doing here, I want the user to fill the password text form field and click on sign in, and after the sign in we need to send the user to our success screen, but we don't have it yet. So let's create it first. Just come here, click on new Dart file, and this new Dart file we're gonna call it success screen. Yeah, so we have to import our material, and let's call it stateless, and let's call it success screen. And just right here, let's call scaffold as always, add bar. In the add bar is going to be a title, and the title is going to be success. Yeah, and in the body, and in the body is going to call a column, column, min axis alignment, min axis center, and the children is going to be a text. So the text is going, it's going to be, you are the best developer ever. Yeah, we're the best. So let's just center this, because I don't think it will be in the center. So I think it's enough. Let's see when the user successfully signing in our app, and we see if this screen works fine. So let's go back to sign in screen. And let's do all the validation to make the user sign in our application. To do that, we're gonna check if form key, if form key dot current state dot validate. If everything is right, we're gonna user auth dot signing in the sign in user data email controller dot text, and password, we're going to pass the password controller dot text, and fail. In case it fails, we have to try messenger in our console saying, in a real application, you must create like snack bar or something like a pop-up message saying that an error occurred, right? But it's only a teaching class, so we're not gonna get into it, okay? Just print an error saying an error occurred. I think it's enough because you're a developer, so we need it, and we know what you're doing. But let's go. If everything works okay, so it's on success. If the login has success, so we're gonna navigator the user, navigator.push context, just like we did before. So I think we have finished. We have called the form key to check if the state is valid. We have the user sign in. We are passing an email and the password controller. So it will check if the password controller in the email is equals to this one. So I think it's okay. What about us to check it? And I hope everything works. So let's do it. I can't remember what I have created. Well, what is my password? Do you remember yours? I don't remember mine, so let's go here. Let's go to our Firebase. Oh, I have created everybody hates Grace. That's it. So let's type here. Let's just check if I have did it. Okay. Everybody, whoa, hates Grace, and a password I think is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Whoa. I think so. Let's see if it works. Yeah, so the password was wrong. And yes, we have successfully finished all the development with provider using Firebase Authentication. If you have come to here, please subscribe the channel, like the video, please leave comments. Even if it's bad comments, I want you to comment. Say something. Oh, I don't like this, I don't like that, so I can make it better in the next video. And yeah, there will be a lot of extra videos here about provider and about authentication. And in the next videos, we're going to create users with image in apps like Instagram, in apps like Facebook. If you want something like that, please comment the video because I need to know what you want me to do, right? So it motivates me to do better things, to learn better things and teach you. Please, again, subscribe the channel because it took a lot of time to do these classes and it took a lot of time for editing, for posting, so please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching this. And remember, always, you are the best developer ever. See you next time.